In today's video, I'll be showing you how I wrote a 4,000 word article in just one click using WordRocket AI. WordRocket, as you guys may already know, is my AI copywriting tool. It allows you to write long-form content very quickly and very easily leveraging AI. If you'd like to try it out for yourselves, we have a completely free plan that is unlimited. You can use it as much as you like, but you only get access to the one-shot blog post generator. But in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the long-form article, which allows you to write 4,000 plus word articles, and this is on the paid plan, but currently we do have a lifetime deal and our monthly plans are fairly inexpensive. So if you want to check out those paid plans, I will leave a link for it in the description below today's video. But once you have access to a paid plan, now all you have to do is simply head over to the long form article template and enter the topic in which you like to write about. For example, let's say we wanted to write an article about how to start and grow a landscaping business in 2024. I would enter that prompt. I can then tell it to write in a simple professional tone, include lists, tables, and charts. This is something that I've been playing around with, actually adding in more prompts within when you're describing your blog post, and it actually works pretty well. So this is something that you can also use. We can choose to include an FAQ or not, but because these articles are so long, I prefer not to include an FAQ. And you can include any internal links, any specific call to actions, and you can also prompt the AI a little bit better in terms of your own writing style. But if you're happy with everything, and we are using GPT-4 Turbo, let's just go ahead and generate the full article. Okay, so we see the article is starting to write, and the way that this template works is it will create about 7 questions based upon that specific topic, and then it will write on each specific question. So when it does that, it's able to write much more content because it's taking each section individually as its own article. So that allows you to write a much longer content. So as you can see here, right now we're at question number 2, and we already have a lot of content. So this is going to take some time. I'm going to speed through the video and let it continue writing, and we'll see what the output looks like at the end. Okay, so this is the full article, and as you can see, it is very long. So this is about 4,300 words, which is very long for an article that we're getting back from using the OpenAI API key. So as you can see, it's really easy for you to write an in-depth guide on whatever topic you like to write about. If you need to write that pillar post, you can use this template, which allows you to write, again, over 4,000 words. So once you're happy with the content, you can then go ahead and copy it over, open up a Google Docs, and we can simply paste in that content. And as you can see here, it will be well formatted. We are working on adding some tables, some lists, some charts into this actual article. But again, as you can see here, this is a really good, really in-depth article. And it's over 4,000 words. So you can guarantee that you would outrank your competitors just based on the sheer length of this article. So again, if you guys want to check out this template for yourselves, it is in WordRocket. It is a paid template, but you can get a lifetime deal where you only pay one time, or you can pay monthly, try it out for yourselves and see if you like the tool. But if you guys have any questions, and if you're using WordRocket and you're running into any issues, for example, if you're running into any issues generating content, you may have to log out and log back in. There's just some bugs in which we're fixing. It's still in beta. But if you guys are trying to use the tool and you cannot get access to it, send me over a message and I will personally look into it for you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know by giving us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, stay well.